A novel line of ready-to-use, topical and sterile products for anti-aging and post-treatment procedures. All medical products are sterile and therefore totally safe. The common ingredient of all products is a special sonicated hyaluronic acid that is to be mixed with other sterile active ingredients by the physician right at the moment of the administration. As it is the carrier for the active ingredients that the physician mixes. Our hyaluronic acid is fractionated in our laboratory with an ultrasound sonicator into low, medium and high molecular weights without using any chemicals. Special system enables the physician to instantly mix right at the moment of the administration. 100% preservatives-free sterile hyaluronic acid with a specific active ingredients targeted for the kind of treatments that he wants to perform. This innovative compounding system avoids any contamination and preserves the total stability and integrity of the formulation. Anti-aging combines sterile hyaluronic acid with growth factors at a low bacterial load. Growth factors modulate the cellular metabolism and accelerate the repair process, improving skin elasticity. When combined together, hyaluronic acid and growth factors provide a remarkably super strong anti-aging action, a beneficial healing process on skin bounds. Post-treatment combines sterile hyaluronic acid with sterile perfluorodecaline and physalis angulata. Increasing oxygen levels, perfluorodecaline significantly provides faster wound healing and reduces erythema. Physalis angulata decreases the inflammation, regulating the intradermal temperature and deeply increases collagen production. Repairing, the results are an immediate reduction of the skin burning sensation, a remarkable decrease of the healing time, an improvement of the treatment's results, ensures the total safety on injured and bleeding areas.